Hi there, George here. Today I'm gonna try to grow Mimosa pudica from seed. As you can see here, I have seeds and this plant, it's very fascinating. The leaves, when you touch the leaves, they are moving, they are closing, and that is very fascinating. I had this plant in the past and I decided to plant again to have this amazing plant, and it's a sensitive plant. Now remaining to plant the seeds and hope they are fresh. I ordered it from eBay, they arrived to me, I'm very happy, and from China they arrived. So as you can see here, it's right in China, Chinese, okay. As you can see, Latin name, Mimosa pudica. If you want, you can put pause and read this information, and that's it. But I am going to jet the seed and plant in the plastic cups. As you can see here, I already added potting soil in these plastic cups, and I have to plant seeds in these little pots, about 3 seeds, and we will see what seeds will germinate. From 3 seeds should germinate at least 1 if you know the seeds are good. And yeah, but first of all I'm gonna water them, and the soil will get wet, and this time I will take the seeds from this package and I will put on this paper. After that I will choose 3 seeds and plant, and let's do that. Water should be at room temperature and not directly from the tap. You can let that water for a while, 2 days, and then use that water. I'm gonna water. And now let's open this package with seeds and put on that paper. So now I'm ready to plant these seeds. Hope will germinate. I have yet some seeds, but this I will save. Now I'm gonna add a layer of soil above the seeds, and that's all. Let's do that. So I'm gonna spray a little bit and waiting for germination. During this process we have to keep soil moist. As well we can water there to keep soil moist. Yeah. That's it. I will make video update when the seeds will germinate. Waiting for that maybe in 2 weeks, and we will see. And we'll see how fascinating it will be. I think about 1 or 2 weeks will start to germinate. We will see, it depends on the seeds, how fresh they are, and flowers are amazing. Looking forward just. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. George was here, greetings from Moldova. If you want, put like and let a comment and subscribe to my channel. I wish you happy spring to you. Bye bye.